Now we already finished about these functions about get block, get block hashi, get block and get best block hashi and get block chain info and get new address, get block count, e.g. and get difficulty. Okay, so now we find there is a problem. There is a problem. What's the problem? So please look. Please look. You will find in block hashi. There is three fields: ID, error, and result. Do you understand? You will also find difficulty. Also, there is also three fields: ID, error, result. Do you understand? You will find also block info. Also, there are also three fields: long ID, object, error, and block result. You will find a problem. The problem is there are two fields, ID and error is common field. Do you understand? Do you understand? In every entity, likely block, hashi, and block info and difficulty, there are two common fields, named ID and error. Do you understand? So this is very abstract. Do you understand? Very abstract. Because every time we should define ID and error. Do you understand? Once I once. Do you understand? One again. Do you understand? So we very careful. Okay, how to fix this problem? How to fix? How to fix this problem? How to fix this problem? Now I will tell you. We can solve this problem use a Java knowledge. Do you know element type? Java element type. Do you know Java element? ELEMENT type. Do you know element? Actually, yes, all right. Element, yeah, element type. 泛型element type. Do you know element type? Have you learned element type? If you don't know, so I will show you the element type how to write. Okay, look. The first one we can use we can define create a new file in entity Java class name base entity like this. You can follow me. Base entity. We create a new class base entity. Look. Do you understand? So as we know, you will know from the name from name base entity. You will as we know this entity is a this entity is a base class. Do you understand? Basic. Do you understand? So we can define the common field ID and error. Long ID private object ERR. So private. Okay, so the last one is result, but result type we is uncertain. Do you understand? It's uncertain. So what should we do? We can use element type like this. So just like this. Behind this base entity name, we append an element type like this. Okay, and show you how to speak this symbol as well and build symbol.
This is less than.
Okay,
Less than.
less than,
Less than.
less than, yeah. Okay, less than and a t. Okay, so you just write like this. Result type is t. Is okay. This is element type. This is element type. Do you understand? So if you don't know, you just follow me like this is okay. So right key, getter, getter and setter. You will find generate this method automatically. Okay. So now already we finished base entity define. Okay, when you finish about when you finish define about the base entity, so you can go back BTC service, Look, first one is block hashi. Do you know block hashi? So now we can modify code. We can modify code like this. Comment first. Comment the code. Okay, comment or delete is okay. So you just write like this. Base entity. Okay, because hash code, as we know, hash code is a string. So base entity need a element type. Hash code is a string, so we should write input string. Yeah. T is string. That it means T is string. Do you understand? This is element type. So base entity. Okay. And JSON object. Parse object. The first one is result. Okay. And the second one is important. So we can new type reference. And don't forget input your base entity and element type like this. Base entity and string. So like this is okay. T just a symbol sy and bol. Do you understand? When we use bin, actually we input the actually data type of element type. Do you understand? Like this, like this. T is a string, so we input a string is okay. Do you understand? Do you understand? If we use base entity, the T is a object, so we can input an class object. Okay, so now you just write like this is okay. So and return base entity get result. It's okay. Oh, Mala, don't come here. No online. Okay, can you understand me? Okay, so now you can go back test domain like this or run it again. Where you will find this is the result. Okay, so but now you will find block hashi is unuseful. Yes or no? Now you will find block hashi is unuseful. Do you understand? So block hashi is unuseful. We can delete it. Yeah, we can delete it. So delete block hashi class. Okay, can you understand me? I mean, okay. So now let's modify another function, get block. As you know, you will find block info is 3 failed ID error result. So now we want to modify block info to base entity. Do you understand? So now we can do this. We can do like this. First, you should comment this code in your project, and then we just use base entity. Okay, so we should input just the block. Do you understand? Because why is block? Because the result type is block. So block T is block. Do you understand? The T is only a symbol sy and bol symbol. Do you understand? Actually, when we use base entity, the T has actually means like this. entity, we input block. It means T is block. So base entity, JSON object, first object. First one, result. The second one, parameter, is like the first, new type reference. Okay. So don't forget input base entity block like this. Okay. So finally, you don't forget return base entity get result. Okay, just very clearly. Very clearly. Okay, can you follow me? Can you follow me? So now we have modified two functions. So now we modify third. Get best block hash. As we know, get best block hash will return a hash code. Do you understand? Hash code is a string type, so we can string result modify our code like this. Just base entity string. Okay, base entity JSON object parse object. Okay, so result. First one. The second one is new type reference. So don't forget input base entity string. Okay. Finally, don't forget return result. Sorry, base entity get result. Okay, very clearly. Okay, follow me. It's just a testament. because block hashtag is a string. So we should input no. Block hashing is a string. So we should input and then we take it for one. So second one is very important. Here, I okay. So okay. So there are because you look at this so we should okay and don't forget that element of time. Element of time is because it's big so we should do it. Okay. Do I understand that? Yeah. When we use like this, when we like this, use this. When we use like this, okay? So base entity T actually means V. So yeah, without the yeah, T and off. So now, yeah, very good. So yeah, because we input is Yeah. 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 No. Yeah. That's the this different. Yeah. Yeah. So, so the when you input, when you input element is green, so the reference green. So now you use the long. So the reference will be yeah. Yeah. You understand? That was practice. Okay. That was practice. Okay. You understand? Okay, so now there are 15 minutes. We are take a we are class over. So we will class over. So look, we have defined some function. Now I lead you finish another one. Okay, I lead you finish another one. Get blockchain info. Get blockchain info. As you know, get blockchain info. We'll get the whole information about blockchain. So like this, get blockchain info. Look at this. You will find there are very many fields. Okay, do you understand? There are very many fields. Look at this. Do you understand? So if we wanted to get this JSON structure first, so we should we should create a new Java class named blockchain info. Okay, so now you can you can follow me. Create a new class blockchain info. Do you understand? So create a new class blockchain info. So now we will define the same field like this. Do you understand? So the first one is chain, so we should private string chain. So the second is blocks. Blocks is a number, so we should private int blocks. So the second is header. Header is a number, so we should define private int headers. And the second is best block hash, so we should private best block hash private. Difficulty is a double number. Okay, so double number. So private media time is also a long time step. So media time. So private verification progress is also a double. So private initial block download. This is true. True is a boolean. Do you know boolean? Boolean boolean. So private next private chain verb is a string. So private size on disk is a long. Private pruned is a false, so it's a boolean. And soft focus. You will find a soft focus. Soft focus is a string. Is a JSON. Do you understand? Is a JSON. Do you understand? Is a JSON. Is a JSON. So we should private software, but software type is a JSON. So we should define new class. Do you understand? Do you understand? So we can define class soft fox. Yeah. So soft fox type is soft fox. Do you understand? Yeah. But you will find in soft fox there are many keys. BIP 34, BIP 66, BIP 165, BIP CSV segment and tap root and warnings. Do you understand? Yes. What should we do? So warning, the last one, warning is the private string. Okay. Do you understand? Do you understand? Yeah. So now you must define another new class like this. BIP 34. So we must class BIP 34. Do you understand? So BIP, so private BIP 34. Do you understand? Yeah. In BIP 34, there are 3 fields: type, activity, hide. So we should define type. Type is string. So active is boolean. So next height is long. Do you understand? Yeah. So now BIP is over. Do you understand? So we can generate get and setter in BIP 34. Okay. When 34 is over, so next is BIP 66. Yes. Oh, you will find BIP 64, 66. Also, there are also three fields. Tab, active, hat. Do you understand? And then the next BIP 64, 5 is also these three fields. Do you understand? You will find CSV also three find. Segwit also three find. So it means we can BIP 34 is common. Do you understand the common? Because type active cat is same. Do you understand? So we can modify BIP name to BIP directly. Do you understand? So now private BIP private BIP 65 private BIP CSV private segwit private taproot is another structure. So we should define a new taproot class taproot. Do you understand? Okay, this is soft focus. So now in type taproot taproot in taproot there are 1, 2, 3 field type private string private active boolean and the last is BIP 9. So BIP is a new JSON structure. Do you understand? Like this. So we should define again. You will find it's very how to speak. Do you know?俄罗斯套娃 Russian 套娃，德国套娃，likely evil. Oh, do you understand? What name? Okay. No. Yeah. No. This structure. This structure. Oh. Likely you winner. And I'm very cool. So I will find my clothes. One. And one. Like it. That's yeah, the perfect is a tree. Yeah. Folder. We use the folder. There is another very likely. Okay. Yeah. So when you do this, you should patient rather than patient. Yeah, more patient rather than yeah, more patient. Okay, more patient. Okay, so now we should define this JSON structure. Do you understand? So so now class, yeah, BIP details, BIP detail. Okay, so the first one is there, status private, defined. So it's a string. Do you know? So string status, and the status start time long, yeah, and third time is long. Do you understand? Since is a 0, so it's a number. Do you understand? Private int. And the last one, many activation height is a long. Do you understand? So now you should generate get and setter. Do you understand? So don't forget BIP9 private BIP detail BIP9. Okay, look at this. Okay, so when you define finish, don't forget generate setter and getter. Okay, do you understand? So now this, don't forget generate getter and setter. Okay, so and then this, don't forget get and setter. Okay, can you understand? Can you understand? Yeah. When you finish blockchain info, you will very simply use so like this. Okay. Oh, string result RPC request RPC post like this. Do you understand? So base entity. Now this element type we should input blockchain info. Okay. So chain info. Okay. Sorry. Chain info entity. Okay. JSON object, first object. The first one parameter is a result. The second one is a new type reference. Okay, so don't forget base entity, and don't forget input blockchain info. Okay, like this. So finally, you can return chain info. Sorry, get result. This result type is a blockchain info. Do you understand? Because you return a string before, so you should modify string to blockchain info. Just so. Very simply. Do you understand? So this today Today homework is there are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 functions. Don't modify. Okay. Don't modify. So you should modify element type code yourself. Okay. So everyone should finish at least 15 functions in BTC service. Do you understand? Now, just only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, just the 7 functions. I ask you, everyone, yeah, everyone, at least finish 15 functions in BTC service. Okay? Yeah, last, sorry. Last, least, yeah, least. Okay, at least. Okay, at least 50. You understand? So you should. If you don't understand, you can ask me. Okay. Also, you can ask to one. Okay, Harris. To Harris. You understand? Yes. So, okay. And okay. Okay, now class over. Oh, Mala, we class over. Okay. Okay. So, Anshui, please, please help me. Told others my homework. Do you understand? Yes, and told others our the we should finish the project paper. What should we finish? Do you understand? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Okay.